this video, we'll discuss some basic concept related with the frequency polygon and also inclusive and exclusive series in extended form here. Okay, now first begin with the basic concept here in the form kink. Okay, what does term kink or zigzag curve in your graphical representation mean here? Kink basically is a zigzag line shown near the origin in a graph to indicate that graph is drawn to scale beginning at any value other than 0. Okay, or in case of your inclusive series. The question that we have done, they all begin from your values 0 to 10, like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, or 0 to 20, 20 to 40, or 0 to 5, 5 to 10 here. So all the values begin from your 0. Now, if the value of your scale does not begin from your 0, so in that case, we have to apply the kink here or zigzag curve here, like here. Okay. For example, while drawing any histogram or any frequency polygon, if the class interval, for example, start from your 100 to 110 here. Okay, so this does not begin from your 0. So the value is from 100 to 110 here. So okay, so then it is not feasible to mark the division starting from 10 here, as you will run out of the graph if you begin from 10 here. Okay, so to reduce that particular complexity or to compress the graph, we have to use the kink here. Okay, look at the zigzag, white color zigzag that we have applied here. Here, if we start from your 0 to 10 here, okay, 0 to 10, so the graph will run out from here. So to cover that particular distance, we have to apply the zigzag here. So all the distance from your 0 to 100 here will be covered by this kink here. Now we have class interval beginning from your 10 to 100 to 110, then 110 to 120 here. So we can make our normal graph using the class interval when it does not begin from 0 here. Okay. Similarly, in case of your inclusive series here, we have an inclusive series here. It begins from your 1 to 10 here. Then 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. First, we have to convert this series into your exclusive series. As I have already explained you that to convert the inclusive series into the exclusive series, what we have to do, we just have to subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. This is what we have done here. So the series here become your exclusive series here. So we have inclusive series and we have exclusive series here. Okay. Now look at here, the series do not begin from your 0 here. Okay, it is begin from your 0.5, then 10.5 here. So this distance is covered by your kink here. Okay, this remaining distance, since it does not start from the 0 and it is not feasible to cover the whole distance in 0.5 here. Okay, so we begin your class interval from 0.5 and then apply the kink here, so it cover the whole distance, that is from your origin here. Okay, now next we have to draw a frequency polygon using histogram. How to draw a frequency polygon using histogram? We have question number 3 from your book here. Again, we have inclusive series here, that is 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 40 here. Okay, first we'll convert this into the exclusive series. So we have a exclusive series here like this. Okay, when we have exclusive series, first we apply the kink here, since it do not begin from your 0, and class size here will not be equal here. Okay, if I take the term or value from 0 here, so class size in the first gap will not be same here. There will be a difference of 0.5 in the gap. In the rest of the term, we have equal gap, that is of 555. That is scale that we have taken x-axis, that is 5 unit here. So in each block you have distance of 5 unit here, but in this case you do not have the equal distance of 5 unit here. So to cover that, we have to apply the kink here. So as we have applied the kink here, then we'll begin from your frequency 5 here. Now this is the 5 frequency that we have, so we draw a histogram from 9.5 to 14.5 here. Similarly, next is 8, then we have 12, 9, 4. This is how we have drawn the your histogram here. Now we have to draw frequency polygon. To draw frequency polygon using histogram, just observe the middle of these two number here, 9.5 and 14.5 here. This number will be here. Okay, so find the central point of this building or this bar graph here. We have this building, we have all the middle point here. Then join this middle point using the straight line here. This will be your required frequency polygon. Understand? This is the way how you can create frequency polygon using histogram here. Okay, now next we have to draw a frequency polygon. To draw a frequency polygon without using histogram. Now we are not going to use the histogram here. Okay, we are not going to use the histogram here. Again, this is x-axis, y-axis. We have frequency on this side, class interval on this side. We have decided here. Okay, now first we observe that same question is there, and we are constructing the frequency polygon without using histogram. The same question we are doing here. Class interval is 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, and 25 to 29. So we have a inclusive series here. First convert it into the exclusive series. Then what we have to do here, you have to find the class mark here. How we'll calculate the class mark here? What is the formula to calculate the class mark? That is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So we have 12 here. Okay, so we have 12 here. So this is basically is the middle point of these two number, central point of these two number. So 9.5 here and 14.5 here. Again, this series do not begin from your 0 here, and class size is 5. So we apply the kink here. We apply the kink here to cover the whole distance here. So first number is 9.5, then 14.5, 19.5, 24.5, 29.5, again like this. Okay, we have to find the class mark here. We have find all the class mark here. Add lower limit, upper limit divided by 2 here. So we have class mark as 12, 17, 22, 27, and 32. These number are basically central point of these two given number here. So we have number here 12, then we have number here 17, then we have number here 22, then we have number here 27, and then last we have number here 4. Now we are not going to construct the histogram here. We just follow proceed from your 12 and 5. Okay, here we have 12 here. This is the central point here. Here we have 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. This is the 5 point, first point here, 5. Okay, so we have draw the point here. This is 5. Then begin from here. We have 8. Next frequency is 8, and this is 17. 17 and 8 here. Then we have your 22 and 12 here. Then we have 27 and 9 here. Then again we have 32 and 4 here. Now join these using straight line. You will have a required frequency polygon here. Okay, you will have required frequency polygon here. This is the way you can create frequency polygon and histogram. The main difference between frequency polygon, drawing frequency polygon and histogram here is you just have to do here that whenever you are drawing frequency polygon without using histogram, okay, frequency polygon without using histogram, in that case what you have to do, you have to find the class mark here. You have to find the class mark here. But in case of histogram, you no need to find the class mark. You just have to do one thing here. You just have to draw histogram, then find the central point of that building and join all the central part using straight line. So in this way, we can construct your frequency polygon using and without using histogram. Okay. That's it from this video here. Thank you so much.